Ooh, that's way too dark. I'll have to fix that. Can I shape it up a little bit? Yeah, because I'm going to fix that. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now I know this is dark. I haven't blended. This is on purpose. Nor have I put concealer underneath, and I feel like what I had on earlier has dripped down. And then, just for fun, I'm going to use my finger and put some of this Avenue right in the center of my lid. Because it's kind of got a goldy tint, and I've got a greenish goldy shirt on, so that'll look good. Just in the center and kind of blend it either side a little. There. That looks absolutely fantastic, and I love it. I love this one. And oops, don't forget though to put your ignore that. Don't forget to put your little blow it off real good, and then put this back in there. So both of these are small, so they're great for travel. Fantastic for travel. And I'm going to take this with me, the liner with me, mascara with me, and I'm very excited. Oh gosh, I gotta blend. I know some of you looking at me like, Beth, you really like forgot to blend. It is kind of scary. All right. So first of all, blend right by the nose bone and get rid of that line. Both sides. Just straight up and down, just kind of blur it out. And then we're going to blur between that transition and the highlighter. And then we're going to blend these edges. Again, right there between the highlighter and the transition area. And then that edge. Looks very nice. Okay, and we got to deal with the under eyes. You know what I think? I feel like it actually did bleed from what I put on this morning. Which means I will need, I don't see it. I will need, where's my MAC makeup removers? I don't see it. Where are they? I don't know, y'all. Okay, improvise, Beth, improvise. Lotion. I just put on lotion, and so it should still be moist. Maybe just a tissue will work. It sure did. Look how much was underneath. Yeah. That was the problem, is what that was. That may have been the touch-up mascara I did this morning. Yeah, because look how much, that's not concealer. That is product from my eyes. Now, remember, tissues are very, very dry, so I've just gotten rid of my moisturizer, and that's not necessarily good. So, I'm going to be careful not, to be honest, I'm going to be careful not to put on my, what am I trying to say? Concealer. I think it would be too drying. So, here goes. I've got to put something on. It needs it. I'm just going to barely dot it. Sometimes people say mix with it, and I try that, but to me it makes it look worse. Alright, so I'm literally going to smooth and dot this right up to that area. And I'm going to wipe it off. That was just a little bit to brighten the area. That's all I needed to do. Don't want any more than that. Okay. And then I'm going to put on my mascara and I'll be done. Oh, I know what it was I was going to clean up. The upper side of my brow is too dark. Alright, how can I do this? Hopefully that will take care of it. It did. Wow, it gave me a little too archy of an arch, but that's okay. It's better than what I had. We'll have to make it even on both sides now, though, so we'll just go like that and down. Yeah. And kind of blend that out. Yeah. No, that's a little too sharp an edge there. It's just going to use my shader to make that a little less of a line. Bree, I know, I know, I know, I know. She's like, There. Actually, I'm going to wipe that off on the towel because I feel like that got some moisture to it. Whenever there's moisture, that's when you wipe your brush off. This one I don't typically have to because it's just powder. But, yeah. Because if you wait all the way, you know, to the end of the week before you, gosh, that one's dirty. Look how dirty. It's time to go and put in a fresh one, which I had sitting there, so I must have meant to put that in the wash. So that did good, y'all. I like it. I like it a lot. What do y'all think? So, of the